Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to yet again another Mnml Mondays. For today's video, we're actually here in Mnml's office taking a look at some of the different pairs of denim that they currently offer on the website. Now, in light of the fact that there are a few different fits that are available, we thought it'd be helpful to put together a denim guide so that way you guys could find the perfect fitting pair of denim for you. So without further ado, let's go and jump into today's video. So starting out with our first pair of denim, we have here our M fit. And this is actually our original pair of denim that we released. This is the pair that started it all. And the way that they're designed is with a relaxed fit through the thigh, tapering down from the knee to the ankle region, where there lies a 10-inch concealed zipper on the inside of the ankles. Now, as it pertains to sizing, I do recommend going true to size on this pair of denim. They do come with a non-stretch and a stretched version, but whether they're 100% cotton or blended with spandex, I do personally recommend going true to size for a majority of people. For those who require a little bit more room in the seat, thigh, and calf region, go one size up in pairs comprised of 100% cotton. Next up, not too off from our original M denim, we have the M300 denim. This is our newest iteration of the M denim. The M300 series denim has the same fit as our original M denim, but without the zippered inseam. We plan to release some of our best selling washes from the original M denim as an M300 version that will come in both stretch and non-stretch. Now, in relation to sizing, just go with your standard M denim size and you should be good to go. And next up, we have our X denim. The X denim is our skinniest fit. It's designed to be skinny throughout, finishing off with a traditional inseam that has been extended for the sake of stacking. As stated, they do feature a traditional inseam, which means there are no zippers or snap buttons at the ankles. Now, as it pertains to sizing, I highly suggest sizing up at least one size from your standard waist size. If you have thicker legs, you might prefer 2 sizes up. With that being said, a majority of the X denim line is made with spandex, giving them some level of stretch, but regardless of that fact, I highly suggest sizing up. Now, on to our next denim fit, we have here the S denim. This is actually one of our newer denim fits. The S fit denim is designed with a relaxed fit through the thigh and finishes with a straight fit from the knee down. That being said, the fit comes with a variety of different inseam styles, including some with snaps and some with traditional inseams. Now, in relation to sizing, since most pairs are comprised of 100% cotton, there's generally no stretch to the denim, but despite that fact, we do recommend going true to size. A select very few should size up, considering the fact that they are made to be relaxed fit and finish straight through the ankle. Next up, we have the D denim. This is our most relaxed fit. The relaxed fit in conjunction with the extended inseam creates a perfect pair of denim that is excellent for stacking. Sizing is pretty straightforward as these are a relaxed fit, so I do recommend going true to size. And last up, we have our C denim. The C denim is designed with a relaxed fit throughout and a shorter inseam that's cut just above the ankle. The purpose of that being a cropped fit. Now, in terms of sizing, going true to size is recommended. However, with that being said, if you want them to fit a little bit more snug, you can go ahead and size down. So that's gonna do it for the denim fit guide. Hopefully you're able to use this video to kind of help you get the perfect fitting pair of denim. As always, if you do have any questions at all, feel free to comment them down below and don't forget to like today's video. Now, with all that being said, I'll see you guys again next week for another Mnml Mondays.